What's going on, guys? Edwin Beast 9 back to you with another video. I can't let you before to the fucking cut. Slit. I'm a bullet with a slit. Slit. I'm a bullet with a bit. Beat. And she also got my dick. What's going on, guys? So, this is the 500 subscriber giveaway. Alright, so for my 500 subscriber giveaway, I'm going to be giving away. This isn't exactly what I'm going to be giving away, but everything that's in it is going to be exactly what I'm going to be giving away. I just got to go find the stuff for you guys. So, first of all, you guys are going to get a bag like this. It might not be clear, but it's going to be a big bag like this. This isn't that big. It's about as big as my mod. But it's going to be a bag like this. Inside is going to come with 2 sets of these of 12 dreadlock jewelry. People always ask me where I get my dreadlock jewelry. So it's going to be 2 sets of 12. These are obviously used because I've used them. But it's going to come with 2 sets of 12. Inside it's going to be a bag like this. And it's going to be full of rubber bands for you guys. So it's going to come with like a smaller bag full of rubber bands. It's going to come with, obviously not one like this. It's going to be better quality than this. But it's going to be a small tooth comb for back combing or combing, you know, out your dreads or whatever. It's going to come with a handful of hair ties. So when you guys do maintenance, you guys can put your hair up. It's going to come with a latch hook. And I know these aren't expensive things. They're just things that you need. And people always ask me, "Hey, where did you get your latch hook?" Or, "Hey, where do you get your crochet hooks?" Or, "Hey, where'd you get the stuff?" So I'm gonna be giving away one of these latch hooks, a really good quality latch hook. This is amazing quality. I think I picked this one up for like $4 or $5. Really good wood handle. If I can find some with the wood handle, then I'm gonna be giving away ones with wood handles because they're better. You can grab them, you can grip her better. And then I'm gonna be giving away 3 different size crochet hooks. Whether it has the wood handles or not, you guys are gonna get 3 different sizes. It's gonna come with a big size, a medium size, and a really tiny one for, you know, crocheting your dreads. These bigger sizes are more common for when you start out your dreads. So in case you guys don't have dreads, or you guys do have dreads, you guys are going to be getting those to help, you know, your hair. And like I said, these are going to be great for maintenance kits, or just starting out your dreads in general. So if you guys have been thinking about getting dreads or wanted dreads, or and don't know where to get the stuff, this is going to be a great way for you guys to start that. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to have 5 winners. The way I'm going to do that is you guys have to comment down below this video, and I'm gonna make it go to the end of the month. I'm gonna starting January 1st, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna pick the winners, and I am gonna hit you guys up on Instagram. So the way you guys are gonna do that is at the bottom of this video, I want you guys to write me a story. The story is gonna be, if you guys saw me in a concert and I was performing at a concert, what would you guys do and what would you guys think would happen? And I want to hear the funniest story I can hear in the comments. Each person's got to write one, and then throw your Instagram name down below. You guys have to have Instagram for this. If you guys have Instagram, make sure you guys follow me. And by you guys writing down your Instagram under your comment, I will make sure you guys are following me. And like I said, I want to hear the funniest story you guys can come up with. I mean, the funniest thing. Whoever makes the best impression on me is gonna win this dread kit. If you guys have Instagram and you guys do follow me on that, make sure you guys send me pictures of your dreads too. I want to see if you guys have dreads, or I want to see what type of hair you guys have. And like I said, under this video, in the comments under this video, make sure you guys write a story of if you guys saw me perform in concert, what would happen. I want to hear the funniest story. I want to see your Instagram name down below with the comment. And you guys can enter one time. Only one time. If I see you guys try to comment more than once, I'm not going to accept it. Even if you guys have a really good story, I'm not going to accept it. Make sure you guys comment down once. Tell your friends about it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I'll make sure you guys are subscribed to me, and you guys are following me on Instagram. To win this dread kit. Like I said, at the end of January 1st comes around, I'll see your Instagram name and I will DM you on Instagram, and I'll DM you on Instagram telling you guys are the winner or not. You know, if you guys are the winner, then I'll DM you. If you guys are like friends of mine on Instagram already, I'm gonna try not to. I'm obviously gonna try not to choose favorites. It's gonna go with the funniest story. If you guys have the funniest story, then I'm gonna pick you guys as a winner. And it's not something you're gonna, it's not a lot of money. It's probably like $15 per kit, but it's more about me finding the things for you, because a lot of people don't know where to get these, or a lot of people don't know where to get a latch hook, especially these jewelries. They're good quality. They're not that expensive, but people don't know where to find them, and people try to buy them on Instagram and they don't get what they want. These, I'm gonna definitely try to find these for you guys with the wood handles, the rubber bands, and the extra bag, so you guys can carry everything in. So make sure you guys do that. Make sure you guys comment down below the story, why you guys want dreads, what would happen if you guys saw me live in performance, and what would be the funniest thing that would happen at the concert. And I will pick your comment and you guys will win. I am going to pick 5 winners. I am at 500 subscribers. That's 1 winner per 100 subscribers. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Tell your friends. Tell what's going on. And remember to write your Instagram name down below, or I'm going to have no way of finding you, and you're not going to be able to win. So please, thank you guys for watching. Please, thank you for subscribing. I've gone up to 500 subscribers. That is a super huge goal for me. I never think I'd even get to 300, 400, but now I'm at 500. Like I said, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notification, gang, and join the journey today. And if you guys win, then it'd be it'd be great for you guys to join the journey if you guys haven't already. And I want to join your guys' dread journey. I have the fresh retwist going on. I just did the video on the retwist. Go watch that. Go drop a like on that. Go drop a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.